Good morning, everyone. Now, lastly, we did this exercise. It was related to much, many, more, everything, right? Now, we have to start with exercise 9. It is also the same thing. Fill in the blanks in the following passage with much, many, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. Now let us start. There was a time when our country could boast of dash noble leaders. So many noble leaders. Those leaders were devoted to the country and had dash self-interest, little self-interest. That is, they had very little interest in their own lives. They were very much interested to serve the country. Dash leaders spent most of their life in jail and quiet dash even laid down their life. Laid down their life मतलब उन्होंने अपना life भी sacrifice कर दिया for the country. A few. So where what will start? Many leaders spent most of their life in jail and quite a few even laid down their life. Quite a few मतलब कुछ लोगों ने तो अपना life भी sacrifice कर दिया. But further, as the proverb goes, dash water has flowed down the Ganges. Much water. Water is an uncountable, so we don't use many there. We use much. So much water has flowed down the Ganges. Ganges is the name of a river, Ganga, right? Since then, dash leaders of the present generation have the same sacrificing spirit. Few leaders of the present generation, मतलब अभी के टाइम के जो लीडर्स है वो have the same sacrificing spirit. बहुत कम लोगों का ये spirit अब है. And unfortunately, dash leaders, कौन किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम? वो few लोग जो जिनके अंदर ये spirit नहीं है उनके बारे में. So we talk about those few which do not have. That is why we use the few leaders, right? We want to particularly say about those few leaders. That is why we use the few leaders who are sincere, do not get any opportunity to work, right? I will enclose the answer key with this video, so just go through it. Further, interrogatives, what, which, whose, etc. Determiners that help to ask questions may be described as interrogatives. What, which, whose, how much and how many are interrogatives. Generally जो हमको question पूछने में जो words help करते हैं, they are called interrogatives. They can be used before any kind of noun. They can be used before any kind of noun. आप उनको कहीं भी start of the sentence में use कर सकते हो. For example, what train, what books, which basket, which baskets, which milk, whose bat, whose bats, whose cleverness. Now let us solve the exercise 10. Interrogatives is very easy. They are the question words, mostly WH questions जो हमने पहले भी किए थे, right? They are the interrogatives. Now exercise 10, fill in the blanks with what, which, whose, how many or how much. First one, dash bag is lying on my desk. Is it Garima's? Now someone is asking किसका बैग इधर पड़ा है, तो किसका, तो what you will say whose bag is lying on my desk. Then further, dash magazine are you reading these days? It is a children's magazine. Is it a children's magazine? So what you will use, which magazine, because a magazine is something non-living, a thing, so you will use which there. Then further, dash dress do you like the most, the red, the green or the blue. Now अभी यहाँ पे dress भी thing है, so dress के लिए हम क्या use करेंगे, which dress do you like the most. Then dash performance received the maximum applause, Jyoti's or Keshav's. Whose performance, right? Because यहाँ पे ज्योति and केशव कौन है, person है, right? They are doing the performance and किसके performance को applause मिल रहा है वो पूछा जा रहा है. So we will use whose performance. Then dash bottles of milk will be required for the party. यहाँ पे bottles है, so it is a countable, so we will use how many. Further, many dash money do you think will be sufficient to meet all the expenses. how much money again, right? Because money is uncountable यहाँ पे. So you have to use how much, not how many, right? इधर bottles countable था, आप bottles count कर सकते हो, इसलिए वहाँ पर how many use किया है. Then dash colors suit you the most. अब colors क्या है? Thing है. So you use which colors, or you can also use what colors. What colors is also correct. It is not wrong, right? Further, dash train leads to Amritsar. Dash train leads to Amritsar. This one or the one at platform 9. Which train, right? Train is a non-living thing. So you use which for a train. Now here we finish off the first lesson, determiners. Now I want to tell you that now you start preparing a separate notebook for your grammar lesson, and start writing all the points of the first lesson into your grammar notebook. And the exercises also, the exercises where there are fill in the blanks, do not write them, do not do unnecessary labor. Just read the exercises from your textbook. Wherever there is formation of new sentences, there you have to write the exercises and write down the points that I have made you underline, and the examples which you were up till now you were writing in your rough notebook, a common notebook which was common for all the subjects. But now you make a fresh notebook for your grammar. See, this exercise 2 you are supposed to write, because यहाँ पे आपको आर्टिकल्स ऐड करने हैं. कहाँ एग्जैक्टली ऐड करना है, कौन सा आर्टिकल ऐड करना है, उसके लिए आपको एक्सरसाइज लिखना ज़रूरी है. जहाँ पे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है वो आप नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, बिकॉज इट इज़ देयर इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. सो यू कैन जस्ट रेफर देम एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जाम. बट ये दो एक्सरसाइज है, एक्सरसाइज 2 एंड एक्सरसाइज 3, उसमें आपको पूरा सेंटेंसेस आंसर्स लिखने पड़ेंगे. इसका क्वेश्चन भी लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखो आर्टिकल के साथ और आर्टिकल को अंडरलाइन करो, तो पता चल जाएगा कि आपने कहाँ आर्टिकल ऐड किया है और उसको कहाँ पे ऐड किया है, और किधर कौन से वर्ड के पहले आपको कौन सा आर्टिकल आपने यूज़ किया है, right? These all points are important, so you have to write. Now in this lesson I'll quickly brush up what we studied. This is basically determiners. Determiners are those words which identify or specify a noun in some way. Now determiners are of several kinds. Articles, that is a and the. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those, which words that we use to point out something. Possessives like my, our, your, his, her, etc., which we use to show some belonging of the noun. Distributives that we use to distribute the significance of certain nouns amongst two or more objects. For example, either, neither, each, every, right? Quantifiers which show you the quantity of nouns, some, any, much, many, several, etc. Interrogatives which help you ask questions. They are WH questions mostly, right? So these are determiners. We had a quick brush up, and all the points we have covered, and we have also solved the exercises. Now next time onwards we will start verbs expressing present. First I will just explain you in brief, and then we will start the lesson. So finish this lesson in your new grammar notebook. Prepare your grammar notebook, CW, and write all these points into the notebook. We stop here today.